Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to import product from Kajabi to GoModern. So if you have started your online business with GoModern and you already use Kajabi and right now you wanted to migrate your all the product from Kajabi to GoModern, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything very easily so that you can do it by yourself without any coding skill, without any technical skill, also without hiring any developer. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your GoModern dashboard. Here is the GoModern dashboard. Then you have to click on the product under the courses. So select product, and then you can see that there is a button named create product. When you hover this button, there are two options appear: start from scratch, import from Kajabi. So when you hover this button, you will find this option import from Kajabi. So you have to click on the import from Kajabi button. Okay, I'm going to click on the import from Kajabi. Then here is the three simple steps. Step 1, enter an email to create a learner profile within the Kajabi platform. Grant the learner access to the courses you plan to import. Enter your learner credential and Kajabi domain, then click import. Then you have to enter your email, password and Kajabi domain in here. Click on the import, then you are done. Okay, so I hope you understand how to import product from Kajabi or how to import courses from Kajabi to GoModern. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant GoModern, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.